Phil Bacalac Black, he likes it like that. Are you gonna get packed?
Yeah.
Are you packing?
No.
I'm gonna take your picture.
Wow.
Are you just getting some underwear ready or what?
Yeah, I feel I might mess some.
You feel what? You shit your pants?
Yeah.
How many beers did you have to drink?
2.
100? Are you changing your bandana to go to sleep? Or is that your blankie? It's your blankie, isn't it?
I think you with video cameras are a bad idea.
I think you with 20 beers is a bad idea.
I think you with things are a bad idea.